Delicious Turkish pasta, a great meal for weight loss, and it's packed with flavor. I could eat that every day. Healthy, high protein, 20 minutes.
This magical, creamy but light pasta. If you roast ricotta in the oven, then mix in some garlic and cook pasta. Serve it with a basil and parmesan infused oil on top, sort of like a pesto, but simpler, and enjoy. I hope you try this one. It's so easy and so good. I love it.
That is amazing. Healthier, delicious, 20 minutes.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground.
Episode 1 of my viral series, Greek Blue Zone, where I'll be sharing 20 recipes, both old and new, for longevity. Today we're making a sheep pan gnocchi dinner. This meal is inspired by the citizens of Icaria and their love of vegetables and ingredients you can understand. It's naturally vegetarian, packed with plant-based protein, and uses organic goat cheese as a dairy of choice. Did you know that the citizens of the past 100, this phenomenon is said to be due to their overall lifestyle? If you want to eat like a Blue Zone citizen, be sure to click that follow button so you never miss a recipe.
Says that the secret to the best fried rice is letting the rice fry undisturbed in some melted butter until it gets crispy and golden brown around the edges. This way you've got all those little pops of texture running through the rice, which pairs so well with the shrimp, carrots, napa cabbage, and try this one and we hope you enjoy.
Peppery, buttery, it's so good.
It's very good.